Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Enjoy Learning Computer Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to understand the syllabus for computer science with Python class 12 CBSE. According to the syllabus, there are 4 units. The first unit is computational thinking and programming, that is Python programming, and it is for 40 marks. The second unit is computer networks, and that is for 10 marks. The third unit is database management, that is SQL programming, and that is for 20 marks. So for theory, that is totally 70 marks. Okay, so 40 marks for computational thinking and programming, 10 for computer networks, and database management, that is MySQL, for 20 marks. For theory, totally 70 marks. Then we have practicals, 30 marks. So in the practicals also you have to complete your record, you have to do your project, you have to do the viva, all those things. That carries 30 marks. So totally theory 70, practicals 30, together it is 100 marks. Now let's see in detail about the syllabus. So as I told you earlier, first unit is computational thinking and programming. So this will cover the revision of the basics of Python you have learned in class 12, and then the next topic will be functions. You will learn detail about the functions, how to create a function, what are the parameters to be passed, what is meant by mutable and immutable properties, and positional arguments, return values, etc. etc. The next topic will be file handling. So what is the need for a file, what are the types of the file, etc. About text file, what are the basic operations of a text file, how to open a file, how to close a file, how to write, how to read, and how to append data in a text file. Then about binary file, the same thing, basic operations of a binary file, open, close, and what is pickle module, how to read and write data inside your binary file. Then what is CSV file, how to import CSV module, and using Python libraries, as well as data structures. In data structures, you must have studied about list in your class 11, that will be covered. And stack, in stack we will be learning 2 operations, push and pop, using list. Okay, similarly queue also. Unit 2 is computer networks. Under computer networks, you will be learning history of network. What was the first network and what is the latest network, and what are the terms used in data communication. Then the different types of transmission media, the network devices, network topologies like bus, star, tree, and so on. The network protocols, and mobile communication technologies, 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G, and email protocols. Under Unit 2, we will be also learning about the different network security concepts and web services, like what is www, what is HTML, what is XML, HTTP, and so on. Unit 3 is database management. We will be learning about the different database concepts, relational data model, what is primary key, what is foreign key, candidate key, alternate key, and so on. Then we'll be learning about the structured query language. What is a structured query language, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, what is DDL, what is DML, the data types, and SQL commands. SQL commands, create table, all those things are not included in your syllabus, but you have to learn, then only you will be able to learn the other commands. Under Unit 3 we will be also learning about SQL functions: sum, average, count, max, min, then what is equijoin, what is natural join, and interface of Python with SQL database. That means how to connect Python and MySQL, how to create database connectivity, how to perform insert, update, delete queries from Python itself. Okay. Hope you're all clear about the syllabus of computer science with Python for grade 12 CBSE. Thanks for watching my video. For further updates, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy learning computer science. Bye-bye.